For this lesson, we're going to focus on creating a gallery of headshots or other pictures you might want to include. Now, the great thing about this gallery is we'll be creating something like this, is that it actually allows the user, whoever is looking at your site, to simply click on it and it'll pop up in a light box. And from there, if they want to save your picture to their computer or to whatever device they're using, they can just right click and click Save As. This way, if you want to distribute out more copies of your headshot, you can use the gallery to do that. And they also, once it pops up like this, can circle through them like this. First thing I recommend that you do is that you take all the headshots and all the pictures that you want to use and put them in their own separate folder. So right now, I have all mine in my pictures in a little gallery folder. This allows this whole process to go a lot faster. So I'll give you a second just to do that. Great. So here's how we're going to do it. Go to your web page. Once again, hit Edit Page. We're going to create a gallery module. We're going to scroll down to the bottom where the section that we're at. Click on Add Section. This will be a full width gallery. Now first, we're going to do what we did with our other sections and create a text heading first. One column, text, headshot / gallery. I'm going to change that into a heading, center it, and add the spaces. Woohoo, awesome. Now you notice in this one thing I also did is I added this extra line here. When you actually put the gallery in, it automatically adds this line. And I just thought it looked better if there was actually a line on top. Luckily in Divi we can do that really easily as well. So underneath the text we're going to add another module. So click Add Row, Insert Columns, do this one, Insert Module, and find the divider module. Right here. Yes, we'll keep it white. We want to show it. So click Show Divider, keep the color white, and hit Save. Now underneath the divider, we're going to add our gallery. So once again, create a new module by clicking Add Row. Insert Columns, full length one, insert Module, and click on the Gallery module. Now you'll notice in this one, I have 3 pictures, and then they click this and it brings up more of them. You can structure however you want. I like 3, so I'm going to do 3 images. If you want it, not 33. If you want to do like 6 or 8 or whatever you want to do, depending on how many pictures you have, this just means that there are 3 to a row before they have to click next to get more of them. So you can play around with it and use it to your liking. Now click Update Gallery, Upload Files, click Select Files, and see I've already got all my pictures all lined up for my gallery. I'm going to select all the ones I want to use, which is all of them. Click Choose, and it's going to upload them all, and also you'll notice it has this little check mark above them. That means it is going to the gallery. So once they're all finished, I'm going to click Add to Gallery. And you can add captions if you want. I'm not going to worry about that right now. You can also do random order, so I'll do that. Finally click Update Gallery. Now the default layer, it says slider. We want this actually to be a grid. Click on Save. And let's go ahead and update and see what happened. Okay, once again open the page up so I can look at it. Scrolling to the bottom, and I've got my headshots gallery. Now notice it's against a white background. I don't love that. I want to change it to a dark gray. So in order to do that, I'm just going to simply change the background color. Going to go back in here to my dashboard, Scroll down and find my module, which is right here. Remember to do the backgrounds, it's this blue bar here. And background color I'm going to use 494949. It's kind of this darker gray. Click Save. Now, one thing to keep in mind, so we're wanting it to look like this. Notice this text here is white. Right now our text is dark, so we need to change that. So go back into your text module. Here where it says text color, change it to light. Save it. And update. And this should take it from a dark gray, from a white to a dark gray. Let's see how it did. Great, there it is. See my pictures here. And again, if they click on it, they can open them up. And I've got a headshot gallery now. Now, one thing I forgot to do was, you'll notice it has little captions down here. I don't really like that. I'd rather just have the picture. You can keep the captions if you want, but I just want to show you how you can change that. Go back into your gallery module. Scroll down a little bit here where it says show title and caption. I'm just going to click no. Just a personal preference. If you want to keep the titles and captions, you can. But for me, I don't like it. And there we go. Now they're gone. So now we have this nice pretty gallery here that they can scroll through, open up pictures, and save them.